Grain Feed and Milling Magazine Weekly News Review, powered by Agrotech Bangladesh Online Edition. Jewelers for young design engineers have won gold, silver, and bronze at the Swiss Skills Championship 2020.
Malaysia recorded a total of RM64.8 billion worth of investments in the manufacturing, services, and primary sectors.
Livestock Instruments, in the Milling Machinery Manufacturer Association, DESMUT annual meeting and seminars in Turkey.
Farmers prefer to choose high oleic soybeans for high potential profits.
Simagas press release on improved steel quality bolting.
Mill chattal is becoming a thing of the past. 12,000 mills have been closed in a decade.
USDDGS, exports to South Korea rebound, following COVID-19 slump. Thanks for watching.